Hello and welcome to the Big Brig 2020 update. This is just keeping you up to speed on how things are going with the build. As you can see, I'm not a truck builder. I want to build one truck before. There's no colour call-outs on the kit anywhere, so there's no colour referencing whatsoever apart from the box, and that doesn't give you a great deal to go on, just the colour scheme, that's all. So I'm having to make this up as I go along, hoping it's right. So I've sprayed all the wheels. You've got 6 inner wheels, 6 outer wheels, and then you've got the 2 main steering wheels at the front of the cab. So I've sprayed all that black. I've started work on the cab. It's very basic. I might put a few details in here. We'll see how we go. Bits and bobs from underneath the tanker. A little bit of the suspension. I've sprayed all that black. I think that can go together quite nicely. And the wheels when they drop the trailer. I don't know what they're called. And this is the work so far. This is what we're looking like. So I've painted the engine block red. I don't know what colour it should be, what colour they were. I'm aware that some engine blocks were different colours. I know they were on cars, but I'm not so sure about lorries. So it's just a guess. I used a nice dark red, and then I've used silver for certain parts for the diff and the exhaust there. So yeah, it's looking good. Don't know what the blue thing is. Could be a flask. Who knows? But yeah, the 5th wheel's on there. Look, I know that it's 5th wheel. So that's coming together quite well. As regards the actual petrol tanker itself, I've only just noticed there are depressions just here. It must be the age of the moulds. As you can see where the pins, the holes for the pins to go. So there's a bit of depression there. So I've got to put a little bit of filler in that. But it's looking good. The bottom's fine. It's quite nice. It's a nice fit. I keep checking things as I go along. So yeah, it's all good. All good. Yeah, that's it really. That's up to date. I'll probably spray this yellow sometime today, and then I can start doing adding the wheels and the pipe work underneath. So that'll be nice, that'll be interesting. So on the next update, that's probably what you'll find I've done. So anyway, thanks for watching. I've been the Weekend Modeller, and I'll see you next time.